Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing materials and making the first interlaced base. Soak fronds briefly to increase flexibility, then cut 6/8 long strips and split them to 0.5 1 cm widths for even tension. Lay a cardboard sole template and position the first 2 cross strips at the heel. Weave 2 more perpendicular strips to form a tight square. Once done, flatten and tighten each intersection so the base is firm. This foundation determines final fit and durability. Now you shape the slipper and build the upper. Take additional strips and weave upward from the sole edges, alternating over-under to create a consistent pattern. This creates both structure and breathability. Make the arch by folding and overlapping strips where the foot bends, then stitch those overlaps with strong thread to lock the shape. Make sure to pull evenly as you go so the slipper curves naturally to the foot, otherwise it will be either too tight or floppy. Finish the slippers by adding comfort and protection. Cut and glue or stitch a thin fabric innersole for cushioning and to hide raw edges, then tuck remaining frond ends under the edge and bind them with tight thread. Optionally, brush a light varnish for water resistance, making sure not to stiffen the weave. If you notice gaps or looseness, reweave the affected strands or reinforce with extra stitches at stress points. This simple fix restores shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.